up, guys? Good morning. Today's Monday. Is after the fiesta, and yesterday they had gave us those ribs, right? So we got them and we cut them up, and now we put some water. I think she says she's gonna cook it Adobo style. So it's she already put onions, pepper, and garlic so far. So let's see how it turns out. Yeah, it was fun yesterday. There was everywhere. There was food, but yeah. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, check out all the videos. Let's go. Alright, guys. Well, here's the results. Man, it looks good. Let me show y'all right now. I had to record on my tablet because my wife is using the calculator on the phone. So yeah, the dough, she ended up putting soy sauce at the end. That's the only thing that was, when she cooks it, she adds the water and the soy sauce. So yeah, it's good. I'm about to grub. Alright, thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and share next time.